You don't need to be running a Fortune 500 company or even starting a new venture if you want to use accounting principles to give you a better chance at success. Accounting is the language of business, and this kind of literacy is vital when it comes to making decisions. Quite simply, it's a skill you have to have. But the good news is it's not about crunching numbers. There are 4 accounting principles you can start weaving into your work today to help start impacting your results. First, in accounting, the rules matter, but so does your judgment. Take revenue recognition as an example. It sounds pretty straightforward. I deliver a product, you pay me for it, and I make a note of that revenue. But when exactly do I record it? If I'm making mobile phones with software and updates, do I record the revenue when you buy the phone from me? Do I record it when you activate the device software? Do I wait until I provide you a software update? Or is it some combination of all 3? Interpreting the rules of accounting and using your judgment can have a big impact on the bottom line. Second, the numbers don't tell you everything. For a long time, operating leases were not on the balance sheet. If you didn't know that, you'd be missing some large liabilities and assets your company held. So you don't have to know all the detailed rules of accounting standards, but you should have a solid grasp of the story a financial statement tells you and what it leaves out. Third, controls are your friend. Accounting teams set internal controls that govern which people can make what kinds of expenditures, decisions, and even computer access. It's a good idea to keep on top of this because self-inflicted wounds can sink a company faster than anything. For example, the historic Barings Bank was bankrupted by one trader in Singapore who was able to gamble billions without oversight. What was the flaw? The information system in place that allowed this guy to make those kinds of trades. Accounting isn't afraid of controls, and you shouldn't be either. Finally, accounting is how your company communicates with the outside world. It informs the way your firm talks to the market. Or, if you're a smaller company, it's how you communicate to your lenders. Any C-suite executive or business owner needs to think about the best way to present information to the market and when to communicate it. That's what accounting can help with, whether it's forecasting gains or losses, planning for the next quarter, or addressing risk concerns. This isn't generally how people think about accounting, but it's very much a communication tool. Thanks so much for watching. We'd love to account for your feedback, so please click on the like button if you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe to the Ross YouTube channel. It's free, and it would let you know when more videos like this one become available.